Hi, and welcome back to another one of Miss Hang's video tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be presenting you with an odd number of dataset items, and using that dataset, we will be finding the range, the median, the first quartile, the third quartile, interquartile range, and outlier. Our dataset reads 5, 2.5, 6, 4.5, 3, 8, 3, 14, and 5. First, arrange the dataset items from least to greatest order. A good strategy might be, once you organize the numbers, count how many numbers you have, and then go back and also count the original dataset items. Now that the numbers are arranged from least to greatest order, the easiest data item to find out is the range. Find the biggest and subtract the smallest. So 11.5 is the range. Next, what we want to do is find the median, and it looks like I've already shown you what the median answer is. My apologies for that. So here's how you find the median. Go ahead and cross out the smallest number and the biggest number, and continue crossing out the next smallest and the next biggest until you have one number left over. So our median is 5. All the numbers that are smaller than 5 are called the lower half numbers. So we have 2.5, 3, 3, and 4.5. Using that, we will want to find out what is our first quartile. So the first quartile is the median of the lower half numbers. So again, we're going to cross out 2.5, cross out 4.5, and we have two identical numbers in between. So our first quartile is 3. All the numbers that are bigger than our median of 5 are called then our upper half numbers. So we have 5, 6, 8, and 14. We're going to find the median of the upper half numbers, which is called the third quartile. We cross out a 5, cross out a 14. We have 6 and 8 left over, so just find the average. Add the two together, divided by 2. Then we get 7 as our third quartile. Our interquartile range is the difference between the third and the first quartile. So 7 minus 3 will give us an interquartile range of 4. We need the interquartile range to help us find if there are any outliers. So we take the interquartile range of 4 and you multiply it by 1.5. We get 6. We're going to add on 6 to our third quartile. So 7 plus 6 will get us a maximum value of 13. Take your first quartile and subtract away 6. Our first quartile was 3, take away 6. Our minimum number is -3. So our acceptable range of values for our data set is from -3 to 13. Go back to our data set and see if there are any numbers that fall out of that acceptable range. Remember, the maximum is 13, the minimum is -3. We do have an outlier, and that would be 14.